Now.
Alright, we're going to do the engine vacuum test on this 2005 Volkswagen Jetta. And first thing you want to do is you want to get it all ready to do the test. You're going to take the engine cover off. You're going to take the box out. Make sure that the mass sensor stays connected. That way the engine will run as normal. And then you're going to find the intake vacuum hose. You're going to take that out. You're going to put your gauge here. And then you're going to have this T connector. That way it's easier just to get your gauge to where you can read it. And then you're going to have someone start it up. And the PSI for this vehicle is supposed to be 19. And we are at 19. And when he snaps the throttle, it's supposed to go snap to 0 and then go back to 19. So we're gonna, so just like that. If it doesn't do that, then you got some kind of vacuum leak in the engine, and that's when you gotta start figuring out where the leak's at. But this engine is within spec and perfectly running perfectly.